My name is Olugbade Emmanuel Domninu, also known as Oluwafeyi Domninu. Although people call me Feyi, I'll be your data analysis instructor for the next 16 weeks. This means we'll be diving into the world of data together. For this week, we'll be going into the introduction to data analysis. And I'm 100% sure you are going to enjoy this class. Why? Because data solves problems. Yeah, as I said data solves problem. Yeah. When you have data, you can actually get the true information about it, especially when you know how to analyze it well. Now, okay, now let's go into the content for what we have for this week. Number one, we'll be getting to know what data analysis is. We all know data is a raw fact. Then we want to understand how we combine data and analysis. So we'll be getting to know the definition of data analysis, and also we're getting to know the importance of data analysis and why it actually matters. Also, we'll be getting to know the types of analysis that we have, different type of analysis that we have, and we'll be learning the process or the circle of analysis. Also, we learn the application where data analysis is applicable. I know a lot of people actually have questions about it because it looks as if data analysis is just yes, everybody wants to do it, but we will check where it's being applicable. And also we're getting to know the course structure and then examples of data analysis project. All these are actually interwoven, so we're going into this together as we dive into the world of data. Let's move on. Let's go into the next thing. What is data analysis? We all know that data is a raw fact, and this word is a combination of two things, data and analysis. So we want to understand what data analysis is. Data analysis refers to the process of collecting, cleaning, organizing, transforming, and analyzing data to extract meaningful insights, answers to questions, or support decision making. I'm going to repeat that and I will be shedding more light on this. Data analysis refers to the process of collecting, meaning gathering of data. As we go on into the class, I will explain how we can gather data, the mode of getting data, structured, unstructured data. Don't worry, all these terms basically, as we go into this journey, you will get to understand. But just follow me. It says the process of collecting data, gathering them, cleaning the data, organizing it, cleaning, removing unnecessary things, organizing it, making it okay for the analysis, transforming it, then extracting meaningful insights, answering questions, and also supporting decision making. This involves gathering of raw data, cleaning it to remove errors, inconsistency, organizing it to a structured format, and then transforming it to make it more useful for analysis. So apart from getting the raw facts, you can get raw facts and not be able to actually bring insights from it. So this course basically will be learning how to collect data, how to clean them, how to organize them, how to transform them, how to analyze them. Not only the analyzing alone, but how to bring out meaningful insights, how to answer questions, how to solve problem when it comes to the world of data. So this is very important. So as we go on, all this are going to be learned in this class. Then don't forget, the main goal of data analysis is to convert raw data into useful knowledge that can guide decision and provide specific answers to questions. The major aim of data analysis, studying this course, is to convert raw data into useful knowledge. If you are not converting it into useful knowledge, it's a waste of time. But for this class, you'll be learning all this process. So let's go on to the next thing. Now let's go into the importance of data analysis to the real world. Why it matters. Basically, data analysis matters because it helps individuals, businesses, organizations to make informed decisions based on facts, not assumption. I remember one time like that, one of my senior colleagues actually worked on getting to know if Nigeria was the only one suffering from inflation when there was persistent increase in price still till date, and actually, but with what she actually found out, she found out that there are some other African countries that basically have issues with inflation more than Nigeria. Now, we can actually relate with that basically because she actually got facts through data. So you cannot just assume and say, okay, this is how it looks like. No, by analyzing those data, you get informed. So now, number one is informed decision making. Now, when we are making decisions in company, in healthcare, research, we can actually make those decisions correctly. Why? Because analysis actually make us get information to details, and it makes us get to make decision based on the truth of the data. Then also it also helps in improving efficiency. Data analysis help organizations to identify inefficiency so that they can actually optimize processes and reduces cost. By understanding data, companies can streamline their operations and make use of resources. Also, to predict future trends. To predict future trends. With analysis, we can actually make a forecast. That's what they use in weather forecasting. They use data analysis in GIS, and also to predict disease outbreak, especially in patients. Also, data analysis also enhances problem solving. For example, when you analyze data, you actually get to the roots of the problem and the challenges. For example, when you have a sales and then a product, you notice that, okay, fine, the product is actually this particular product is actually not selling well. You can actually use the data analysis to actually find out, okay, fine, my sales here for this month on this product is actually low. What are we going to do based on analysis? You cannot just be selling and just let's release every product. We have 7 products, be releasing all the products at once. But because of analysis, you can actually, okay, fine, I got 1 billion for this product this month, I got 7 million for this product this month, so that we can actually know, okay, why did I have loss, why did I have profit. So let's move on to the next slide to get more understanding of why data analysis actually matter. The next one is data analysis basically supports innovations. For any new product coming in, or for any innovations or any strategies coming up, data actually will review customer need in the market, and then it is going to be used to actually drive innovations, new ideas, because there's no new idea that doesn't follow the old idea, and then the old idea is based on data that have been collected, that have been processed, analyzed to make future innovations. Also, data analysis helps to improve accuracy and reduces bias. Now, people assume about things a lot, but using data in decision making reduces the risk of making people feel incomplete, especially when they are not informed. So data analysis actually provides an objective of giving an evidence based on approach being used. Also, data analysis actually is used to actually measure performances. For example, getting to track the success of people in school, like your CGPA and all like that, your 100 level, 300 level, any level you are going through. It is just the help of that analysis to get your CGPA for first semester, second semester, how you run your semester, your score for each test and all. So it's the analysis that actually make them know, okay, this is the best graduating student, this is the runner up for the best graduating student and all like that, especially when it comes to academics, and also when it comes to health care too. They can actually use to actually note performances.